Hello, we're back. We're still in Module 3, Lesson 1. We are now looking at how to add hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are it's text or images that will take you to a outside source, a website. It might link to an actual Google Doc, another Google Doc or app that you have. The reason we do hyperlinks instead of just pasting in the URL is those URLs can get very long and they don't look as professional in your presentations as hyperlinking. So I'm not starting a new document. I'm just continuing in the same document that I created for the first part of Lesson 1, and it's in my PDE 3503 folder. So I'm going to scroll down and I want to start a new page. So I'm going to insert a page break. And this one I want it to be resources. So these are web resources that I'm going to link to. Now I went ahead and found some ahead of time so that it makes it faster and easier for me to demonstrate this. So here's a National Geographic Kids site about Nevada. So that's a pretty legit site. So I'm going to just create this hyperlink. So I'm going to click in the URL here, and when it's highlighted, I can do edit copy, and you can use your keyboard shortcuts, Command C on a Mac or Control C. So there's a couple ways to create this link. I can just click the link icon here, paste in the URL, again, Command V for a Mac or Control V for Windows, and then I can type the text here. Whatever you want it to be. And so that's what's called a hyperlink. That's different than if I just pasted in the URL. You can see the difference here. Okay, they're both links and they will both work. But this is what I'm going to be looking for, that hyperlink, where you're linking text and or an image, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. I'm not looking for this. Again, this one's not too bad, but some of them can be very long, and I think it takes away from your image. If you want, so there's a couple different reasons for doing either one. So now let's find another resource. I had one, 15 things you might not know about Nevada. So let's go ahead. I'm going to copy that. And I might want to just say fun facts about Nevada. Read the following article to see oh, thank you for pointing that out, Google. So there's lots of different ways that you can do your links. So I'm going to select the text this time and then go to insert the link and paste. Then I'm going to paste in. So these are both hyperlinks. It's text that will take you out to an external site. Now, what if you wanted to do, you had an image, especially if you're working with younger kids, you might want to do images that take them to a site. So I found one on the population of the different counties, which I thought was interesting. So I may insert an image. Remember, there's one about counties, so I'm going to grab just a different one here. And it went on its own page. Oh, there we go. There it is. Okay. So I might want to say click the image below to find the largest or smallest counties in Nevada. Okay, so I've got the population one already done. I'm going to copy or click on the URL, copy it. And I'm going to click on the image, and then it moves for whatever reason, insert link. I can also right click and find the link option and apply it. Now, if I click on this, then the image becomes the hyperlink instead of the text. So for the second part about in lesson 1 is you're asked to submit at least 2 different hyperlinks. This here is not a hyperlink. That is just the URL pasted in. So I want text linked or images linked to an outside website. So that's the second part of lesson 1. And again, I just continued on the exact same document. So now I'm ready to submit lesson 1. I go to the share button. My shareable link is on. It's set to edit. I click copy link, click done, and go into Canvas and paste that in. So that's all that is needed to meet the requirements for lesson 1 in module 3.